Hey, it's Shay and I'm back again with yet another successful Make Money Online campaign. And today I just really wanted to show you this thing and prove to you that yes, it is still possible. If you know how to do it the right way, you still, of course, can make money online. And, that's what I'm here to show. But I just want to prove to you right now a live campaign. Okay, so I'm just here on one of the networks that I actually use to make money. And if you're a part of our team already, you will already know about this network that I use. There's just so many networks that we use now, it's hard to keep track. So I just loaded up the campaign. This is not on the right dates right now, but I only just started it a few days ago, in fact about 3 days ago. And I just want to change the date. I'll go from the 8th of May to the 11th. Okay, so I roughly started partway through, more the end of the 8th. Okay, so I'm just going to put in those dates, hit run. Okay, I'm just going to expand out these two main campaigns. The ones below that are not so much main campaigns, they were just used for testing. But take a look at these numbers here. Okay, so this campaign alone, $358 in 3 days. And the other one, so what we do, we actually split test campaigns. Okay, so offers, we split test them, drive the same traffic to multiple offers. So that's what's actually happening here. And of course, whichever offer runs the best, converts the best, then you point all your traffic to that offer as long as you can. But as I said, I only just started this campaign, just showing you this is what our students do as well. They follow exactly what I do and they get similar results. So you can see this other offer right here, another $300 right there basically. And you can see underneath the campaign right here how the days are actually split up. Okay, so that's how this one is going, and I can show you exactly what to do the same thing. But again, I'm not going to be showing this to everyone forever. So you have to take action. Take action now. Click the link in the description right now. The link that's at the top of the description, click it now. Go to my site, and I'll just actually go to my site right now as well. So as soon as you click that link in the top of the description, you'll land on this page. And it's super simple to get access to the exact campaign that I'm running, so you can see everything I'm doing and more. Just enter in your email right here, okay? So you can get instant access. I'll show you how all of my Make Money Online campaigns work, and it doesn't even matter if you don't have much experience. If you're trying to make your first dollar online, or even if you've been at it for a little while, but you just haven't found that final ingredient, I'll help you find it and move to that next level. Let's get you earning your first dollar, your first $50 a day, your first $100 a day, your first $500 a day. Let's get you there, okay? Myself and my team are here to help you do exactly that. So again, take action. Click the link in the top of the description now if you haven't already. Visit my site right here. Enter in your best email here. Thanks very much again for watching this video, and I'll work with you soon.